So the CRB 1300 is a new part of our collaborative portfolio. It brings to the table high speeds, high acceleration, increased payloads that you normally see on industrial robots with collaborative features. So in this case, we have a lead-through knob that allows for ease of teaching. We have a mode indication on the robot that will tell you what mode it's in. When the lamp is green, it's running at its full program speed. When you approach the robot, the lamp will turn yellow, meaning that it's running at a reduced speed, a safety rated reduced speed. And then as you get closer, the lamp will turn red, and that means it's in a safety rated standstill. So at this point, an operator could come in, change out some bin. In this case, I could refeed my hopper. And then when I clear the area, the robot will then resume its task without any kind of intervention. So the key takeaways with this robot is you have an industrial built robot that can handle high payloads, high speeds, high accelerations, and a collaborative ease of use functionality.